Next day here, and it's haircut day. Thanks, Zach. We got our plastics here. This is where I cut that bit out so it would pinch and look right. And then I got, since all the tabs and everything are broken off of this one, I got a new one straight from Mopar. So we'll get this one, brand new one, out of the box and cut up. And I got some LED license plate lights somewhere around here. So we'll get this all fit up, get our brackets back on. Our brackets we got painted. And so we got the original bumper brackets that I did not modify, but then we made this little piece that kind of coupled the, you know, we got Chevy here and Dodge here, so that's our coupler or our conversion piece. We actually have to bolt these on first. And the plastic covers up those carriage bolts.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
There's something very satisfying about cutting up brand new parts. It just fills the soul with goodness. So this is an aftermarket license plate light. Has a little majabra, I don't know what that is. This is my factory harness for my license plate lights, and it still just has the same flat bulb style plug. So, you know, there's no adapting to this except for what they gave us with this. Unfortunately, I lost one of these. I literally lost it. I think I threw it away with some plastic from painting a car, and so I'll have to order another $15 set of these. At least we'll have one for now. I plug this thing in, whatever it is, and at least we'll be able to stick one on, I guess. Receiver here that holds our license plate, and that'll slide in, have our plate on there, and it'll just pin it, and then you pull it out, slide in your trailer hitch, which we're gonna probably need. It's not too bad, but we're probably gonna need an extension here. I don't know, that might be okay. It can be dangerous to bring the trailer in this close though. So there's our plate. It's our license plate there. It's a little tight. I think I'm gonna loosen it up a little bit. All right.
Down in the water, catching all the waves is where you'll find me. And all the girls in town are laying out in their bikinis. Spring and fall.
Got these little clips. They go in first, so they come out last. So there's that piece. There's the piece that comes through here, and it kind of, they were meant to kind of hold in there. And then there's its little lock, and that'll slide in there at the end. I've found that you need to take these totally out in order to get these pieces apart. They're kind of a pain, but they seem to not break, so.
Spring and fall are okay, winter sucks, and so it's clear. Summer is the very best time of the year. Camping with the boys, drink around the fire, it's alright. And laying with your girl underneath the stars, and it's out of sight. None of these things you can do unless warmer weather is here, and that's why summer is the very best time of the year. Gimme, gimme, gimme summer. Gimme, gimme, gimme summer. Gimme, gimme, gimme summer. I need summer now. It's too cold in this state, so come before it's too late. And that's why I'm counting down the days until summer is here. Ooh, let's go! Alright!
I'm actually super pleased with how this turned out. Not having that hitch on there and all the goofy stuff it had in here. It's just so much better. I love the way the license plate turned out. I'm not too crazy about this spacing, but it's even. It's okay. I super glued a little tab in here. I'm really happy with how that turned out too. I'm gonna get some new headlights on it. They have some new styles that came out that'll match the wheels pretty good. Kind of a newer style light. I'm really happy with it. You know, just continuing on piece by piece, getting it ill. Painted this new BMW brown we're doing. And yeah, I dig it.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be